Hey, I've got a door stop and it looks like it's all together, but I'm in a bathroom and it's all rusty. It looks very old. Look at that, it just unscrewed. You see, this is how lots of door stops nowadays get put on. See how you've got the little nib there, the end, and then the little end bracket, you screw that on the wall and then you put that on there and just twist it on. Boom. I like these. See how they're a lot stiffer at the end. I don't like the ones that are just long or stationary that break off, or if it's just a long one and you have to screw it in with the pre-threads, let's say. Okay. Now see, I just replaced a door stop and I could have taken this tip off and used that for out there, but this one's all greasy and grimy. I guess I could have cleaned it up, huh? And done that. Because see, you can get replacement caps. And that's what I just did for that other one. But hey, never mind. Now this gets installed with one screw. Okay. And that just screws into the baseboard. I like the way these get installed too. And usually they don't just pop off. You have to kind of hit them. Come on. See there? It's all rusted on there. I'm gonna have to get probably a little screwdriver or something. Or maybe even some pliers and grab onto it and kind of break it off, because I don't want to mar up the baseboard or anything. Got my handy pliers, and these are called adjustable pliers, and most pliers are. See how it's tight? You may never have known this. You slide that way like that. Now you can grab bigger things, but you can't get that tight. Okay. Here's something else this does. See this little line right there? It'll cut off Romex wiring, 12 gauge, 10. I don't know about 10 gauge, 14 gauge. Yeah, just that little place right there. It snaps it off pretty good too in a pinch. Yeah, you probably didn't even know that, did you? Okay, so now this is slip joint pliers. I'm gonna go that way and just grab this. Okay. See, it was just the paint that was holding it. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use one of these. I've basically got, you buy it in a 2-pack. Usually it's cheaper than buying 2 individual ones. And granted, I only needed one for right now, but I know eventually I'll need the next one. So I'm better off buying 2 because I'm sure I'll use the other one. Okay. And in fact, in a pinch, if I wanted to save my old one, let's see. Okay, I can just put that in there. Screw that back on there. You know, if somebody doesn't have one at all, let's say, and I need to do something. Okay, I got a spare. Okay, see, this is how it comes. The screw's in there. See, so just grab this and unscrew it. See? Okay, now just gonna hold that on there, and I'm gonna put this little hole about where it was before. Not that it matters, I guess. I mean, and it should fit. It fits right exactly where the other one was. Sweet. Tighten that up. There. And this, you have to kind of find the end to it, you know. Put it in there. Okay. Twist it on there until it feels snug as a bug in a rug. Presto. Done. You can do it. I know you can. Yes, everybody knows how to replace the doorstop, don't they? But this one is in pretty good shape. It does not need to be replaced. I went down to the store and got this. This was like $5 for 2. Sometimes they'll sell one for $3 or something. So you could go ahead and replace it, but instead I got their little replacement caps. And I got 6 replacement caps. And that was like less than $3. And so I can fix it that way. And these caps were the exact same as before. Boom. Okay, make sure it fits on there nice. There you go, done. Yeah, now there's something else in this bathroom that I have to work on. Wonder what it is.